Hello! In this video, you will learn step-by-step how to add the AdSense.txt file to your website created with Blogger. Before starting, I would like you to know this. On the socialskillhub.com website, there are completely free trainings related to AdSense and YouTube, and solutions to frequently made mistakes. By visiting the site, you can learn the courses suitable for you for free. Now, let's get straight to the point. To add the AdSense.txt file to your Blogger site, first log in to the Blogger panel. From the menu on the left, click on the Settings tab. On the page that opens, find the Enable Custom Ads.txt Content option. Here you will see two options with the same name. Activate these options. Then click once on the Custom Ads.txt text. In the window that opens, we will add the code that we will get shortly. Now, to get this code, go to your AdSense account. From the left menu, click on the Sites tab. Then press the New Site button. In the window that opens, enter your site domain and click the Save button. After that, a new window will open. Here, click on the Ads.txt snippet option. On the screen that appears, copy the Ads.txt code by clicking the Copy button under the code. Go back to Blogger again. Paste this code into the Custom Ads.txt section and click the Save button. Finally, go to AdSense again. Check the I published the ads.txt file option and press the Verify button. Congratulations! You have now successfully added the ads.txt file to your Blogger website.